Mirror Lab is a creative photo editing app for Android that allows users to enhance their images through innovative effects and transformations. The app specializes in creating mirror effects, kaleidoscopes, and symmetrical patterns that can turn ordinary photos into visually striking artworks. Users can choose from a variety of editing tools and features, such as mirroring images on multiple axes, applying filters, and adjusting brightness and contrast. The intuitive interface makes it easy to experiment with different styles and effects, encouraging creativity and artistic expression. In addition to mirror and kaleidoscope effects, Mirror Lab may offer features like shape distortions, allowing users to create unique photo compositions. The app is suitable for both casual users and photography enthusiasts looking to add an artistic flair to their images. Overall, Mirror Lab is an engaging and versatile photo editing application that empowers users to transform their photos into captivating visual masterpieces with ease.